fast food. This system removes all of that. Okay? So we're going to do something different. We're not cooking full meals. We're cooking ingredients in bulk and organizing them by day. Now, here's the theme I use, and you can change it to meet your needs. But Monday is chicken, Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, Wednesday, Wing Wednesday. Thursday, we either go out or eat leftovers. You can plan that as well. Friday is casseroles or comfort foods. Saturday is skillet meals and soup because you're going to need lunch. And Sunday, we barbecue or eat leftover barbecue or link sausages. This is the same rhythm every week. So you never have to think again unless you just have the energy and you want to. So